ano ba yung mapapayo niyo, sir, na sa isang tao, grown up, ilang oras ba dapat nakatutok ka sa,
Yun.
ano ba yung parang kasi ako halos buong araw ata ako sa social media kasi as a social media influencer.
I think merong statistics na ang Filipinos daw sa average, I could be wrong with my number, but it's about this number. 3.5 hours natin ginagamit ang ang social media.
Parang
Hindi
kulang.
ako naniniwala. Siguro mga 6 hours tayo or 7.
Ako hanggang gising ako.
On average, no? On average.
Is it good?
For me, the answer really is use social media with restraint. At saka depende talaga yan sa iyo.
Paggamit.
If that is your work, then dyan ka nabubuhay.
Yes.
Kailangan mo mag-exceed ng number of hours, di ba? Pero at the end of the day, it's really the person. Sa DICT, we can remind sa PCO, they can always have programs such as this, remind constantly. At the end of the day, it's really the household how they pero merong mga technology na ganito ha. Like you can set yung mga
Screen time.
websites